Slate is a part of our story in Wales. Lightweight, durable roofing slates from Welsh quarries and mines were exported all over the world. From 1780 to 1940, Wales produced as much as a third of the world's output. Gwynedd was the heartland of this industry. Here, 6 of our most famous slate landscapes have been recognised by UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organisation, as a World Heritage Site. World Heritage celebrates Gwynedd's global exports and the way the industries transformed people's life and work, creating the rich culture of the quarry communities.
Cloch Bryneglwys. Eich niol fi'n galw gyson y chwarelwyr gyda waw, at greigiau noeth Bryneglwys sy'n segur yma naw. Fe seinia'r un mor gyson ar derfyn dydd o waith, i'r chwarelwyr droi am adref ar ei llifedig daith. Ond cloch y llan a seiniau yn gyson y prynhawn, fe llwch ac orau feddau yn gynnar iawn.
Quarries and mines high on mountain slopes and in deep valleys, the transport systems which served them, the houses of their wealthy owners, and the communities which sprang up to house workmen and their families. These are what make up our slate landscape.
Yn halys arn yr stalwm fe welem lyfni lan ar ddol hynafol honno ac gymell hyn o gan. Ac megis gwyrth y gwelem ar lan hen afon hyd y ddol a ddylai pebyn yn sblander bore'r byd. Yn halys arn y sywaith, ni welwn lyfni mwy, na gwartheg gwirthiol pebyn yn ei cynefin hwy. Buan yn dysgodd bywyd a thrawiaeth llanw a thrai. Cyngom ar ddol ddihaglog daeth chwyddfa'r gloddfa glai.
Welsh slate roofed the terraced houses built for the growing population of Britain's industrial towns and cities. Wales's output in the 1800s would have covered well over 13 million of these. It was also used on prestigious buildings around the world, such as the Royal Exhibition Building in Melbourne, Australia, covered in Penrhyn quarry slate, and Copenhagen Town Hall in Denmark, roofed in Ffestiniog slate. Technology from the Gwynedd quarries was adopted all over the world. The narrow gauge railways built to move slates from the quarries to the sea were visited by engineers from Asia to America and from Africa to Australia, who built similar systems in their own countries. Welsh quarrymen were in demand around the world and went on to manage slate quarries in Canada, America, Ireland, Cornwall, Australia, Italy and Germany. The slate industry drew its workers from nearby farms and cottages. Fathers, sons and brothers worked together in the quarries and mines. This is why these areas have the highest percentage of Welsh speakers today. Over 70% of the population of Gwynedd's slate valleys speak Welsh. The spirit and pride remain strong. Community projects have kept memories alive and shared this story with the next generation, such as our young slate ambassadors who have championed